And so when we're doing sound baths and we're doing conscious breathing, it actually is a deep rest. And that we measured brain waves
Yes.
during that session. And what we find is that you go from high beta, which is active thinking, which is anxiety and stress, into alpha, but then also lower brain waves of delta and theta, which are the same brain waves that we achieve during sleep. So it's a deep rest period, and it enables your mind to kind of slow down. The reason why a lot of us are not getting deep sleep is like we're constantly thinking, we're worrying, we're anxious, we're thinking about the past, worrying about the future, right? And so
Yeah.
doing such interventions and modalities, we're kind of resetting that system, that operating system within us, to saying like, just calm down, you're safe. There's no saber-toothed tiger, and allowing ourselves to enter those phases of deep rest.